Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and today I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Artistry Blooms Suite and the Hand Drawn Blooms bundle. So here's the card, and here's the bundle. So you've got this lovely set of flowers and sentiments. And this is my favorite, is this die right here. And I'm going to be showing you a lot of different ways to use this die. The first way is to just use the top half of it. And then I used the blends to color it. So I'm just going to bring in a scrap piece of paper here. And then I have the dark Highland Heather. And I'm just going to color some spots all around with the dark, just to get some dark spots. And then I'm going to blend it with the light and just color and blend it all in. Try to get everything colored, leaving no white. These also make nice stencils, so you could use them as stencils to color, make a design on your paper behind. You'll see when I lift this up that there's kind of a pretty design behind it. So I'm just going around, filling in all the white and blending in the dark, but I want there to be a fair amount of contrast between the light and the dark, so I'm not going in and blending a whole lot. I'm just kind of touching it a little bit. So just finishing up, coloring the rest of this, and then we're going to add it to this piece of Whisper White that I have over here. So I'm going to hold it up, make sure I got all the white. So I see a couple areas of white over here. One right there, maybe one right there. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, so now the fun part is I've cut out the second largest die from the Stitched Nested Labels dies, and I'm just going to flip this over to the back, and I'm going to add some adhesive to the sides on the back. And I'm going to place this on the back. I'm going to kind of bring some of the little leaves forward. And then I'm going to try to line this up back as far as I can. But then I'm going to try to have these be forward, so it looks nice. I have a little something on the white there that I'm just going to try to erase off. All right, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to put some adhesive. I'm going to tuck the little leaves in. And I'm going to bring this to the edge. Make sure my leaves got out here. There we go. Nice. Okay, so now I've got this lovely piece of Artistry Blooms Designer Series paper, and a lot of it is multicolored, kind of ombre from one color to the other. So I'm going to adhere this down to the card, and of course it's double-sided with another design on the back. So just put this in the middle, and then I'm going to add some dimensionals, and I also have this piece over here that I'm going to emboss. So I'm just going to get it ready with the embossing buddy. Then let's add some dimensionals to the back of this. Quite a few. Just to make sure it's very well supported since it has an opening. Just take all the backs off of the, whoops, dimensionals. Okay, one more. And then, whoop, add this to the card. Try to line it up with that background. All right, beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna set this aside and we're going to stamp and emboss this. So I've got my Versamark, I've got my embossing powder, and I'm gonna clean my stamp real quick. And I'm gonna stamp wishing you a happy birthday right on here. This is Blackberry Bliss. So I like to emboss on dark colors. I think it really makes the words stand out rather than stamping. I'm gonna put this aside, close this, so nothing's in the way of my heat tool. Just melt the embossing powder. All right, now let that dry just a little bit while I put some fun sequins on. The sequins are part of the suite. So you've got blue, dark orange, light orange, and this kind of reddish, I'd say, sequins. So I'm gonna grab this one. Should I put it there to cover that little thing? I'll put it right there. And then this one. And then this one. The sequins just really finish the card nicely. And then we'll put some dimensionals on this. Again, just a few. Just a few. I use a lot of dimensionals. A lot. Okay, so we've got our dimensionals and we're just gonna add them to the card. I'm going to put that right here in the middle. And voila! I have this beautiful, beautiful card with the Artistry Blooms suite. So I'm offering a class with the Artistry Blooms suite. You get supplies to make 6 cards, 2 of these cards, 2 of these cards, and 2 of these cards. If you purchase this bundle, you'll receive this class for free. If you want to just buy the class, it's $25 plus $5 shipping. If you already have this bundle, you can purchase another bundle or a $50 order using this hostess code, and you will also get this class for free. So just go to my website and you can click on Shop Now, and you can purchase your bundle using the hostess code, and I will see that you've used this hostess code and I will send you out this class. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Let me put away these cards. Actually, let me show you a couple other cards that I've made with this suite. So this one, I rolled it through halfway so that I only got the top part of the die, and then the rest is just paper. Pretty cool. And then this one is very simple. I just put the whole die and stamped it and used the pretty paper. This one my friend made, and she used the rainbow glimmer paper that's part of the suite. It's very sparkly. I hope you can see that. And it's also ombre, so it goes purple, blue, green. And then I've used the rainbow glimmer paper on this card, the red to the purple. So just a few other cards. that have been made with this suite. So thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can check out all my new videos as they come out. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye.